Hello everyone! Welcome back to Beaver's channel. For today's video, I'm going to unbox my new kitchen machine. There were so many choices, but I choose the 1000 watts. They have 600 watts only. So now I'm going to show you my newly bought kitchen machine. So guys, this is the newly kitchen machine I bought. It's a 1000 watts. It has a blender. So guys, let's unbox it. Manual book. It's a multifunctional kitchen machine. So marami siyang Wansa yung brand niya. I like choosing Wansa for my kitchen. Take a look what's inside. And they have this one. They have the mixer. I thought in the picture it looks like plastic, but it's not. It is a metal. See? It's a metal siya. So, ayan. Other one. It's a metal also. Let's figure out later on how to put this. Ayan na siya. And I think it's so heavy. And this one, what is this? I think it's cover. I'm not sure. See? I'm not sure. Let's find out. And it has a blender. And you know, it's glass also. See, it's glass. I thought also it is a plastic one. But it's not, it's a glass. And it's heavy too. So it's nice. Don't know how to open this. I might be... Okay, there you go. It's like that. It's nice. That's why I'm choosing this, because the size is perfect for us. And it's nice. They have only one color. And the next is... Oh my god. It's so heavy. And what is this? What is this part? I don't know. Later, we will put that later. And the next is... Oh, it's so heavy. And next is... the main one. The machine one. See? How it looks like. Look at that. It's heavy duty. And this one is aluminum. That's 1000 watts. Pulse function. And it has 6-speed settings. Pulse function. 1000 watts. And 4.5 liters. So, marami ang mailagay. Whereas the others, the one diga, they have only 2.5, 3.5. This is the bigger one. And the most convenient one for me. Like that. This This is the power cord. In Kuwait, we can use 220 to 240 volts. See, this is the power cord. Look at that. It has 3. This is the main one. And I really don't know how to operate it. It says arrow in here. Arrow in here. So, oh, okay. Oh, this is where we can put the blender. Let's try it. It's gonna put the blender here. And it's like that. Oh, it's like a magnet. Wow, that's nice. The first one was correct. Yes, like that. Okay, it looks like that. How nice it is. I like it. So in this machine, it has a mixer blade. It has a cover bowl, and then it has a whisk and a cover for jug, and a stainless bowl. This one, this is unlock. Oh, there you go. This is unlocked. Okay, like that. See, let's put this. This is how it looks like. And this part also is a metal. When I choose this one, I never check inside. I just look at the picture. I didn't even touch them. So I just look at them and I like the items. In this machine, it has 3 attachments. This one, and this one, and the one in here. So let's gonna try this. You get to turn in, you get to turn to the left and release it. It's the same thing, you have to put the other stuff. Like if this one, you just insert and then turn right. To release, just turn left and then pull over. The same as what you have did earlier. Insert, then turn left, turn right, insert and turn right, and then lock. That's how you put it. So when you release it, you have to turn left and then pull over. Since before I was just using hand mixer, so I think I have to upgrade. So I think I have to upgrade with this one. So when I saw this one, I really liked. Actually, I planned to buy this last year and I ordered it, but it was a scam. So this, to operate it, let's try this. Okay, and then unlock, just push only going to the right and it's back. To unlock, just turn the knob and pull the head. To put it back, just the same thing you have to do. Just turn the lock and push down. So to operate it, see, it has off and on. Then it's up to you guys if you wanna use high frequency or low frequency. It has 1 until 6. 6 is the maximum frequency. So that means it's so fast. Like that. You just have to turn down to the maximum level. So it's good. It's nice. I have never seen this kind before. I think this is their new model they get. So it's nice. They have red. Actually, I like the red one. For me, it was small. And this one also was small. It has only 2.5 liters. So I changed my mind on that. And when I look in the other store, the first store I been was didn't have this kind of model. So when I went to other store and looking for some stuff, I saw this model. It's on sale. So in this machine, you can make cakes, cupcakes, cheesecakes, any cakes you want, or anything that you can mix, you can use in this machine. It's like if you are making dough. This is a multifunctional. So this is the best thing I really like because it is multifunctional already. So you can use whatever you want to mix. You can use this machine. And a stainless bowl. As you can see, this one is stainless. This one is stainless. It's big siya and it's nice. This is a durable machine, which is like this is how it looks like. See, it's nice. That's all for today, guys. I hope you learned something from this video. If you are new to my channel, please like, share, and subscribe, and ring the bell button so you will be notified on my next video. Thank you guys for watching. See you in my next vlog. See you in my next video. Thank you for watching.